Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Right here is our family's new favorite snack. This is Southern Recipes Korean kimchi barbecue pork rinds. These are delicious. My husband is actually Korean, so we know a thing or two about Korean barbecue and kimchi, and let me tell you, these pork rinds capture that delicious flavor so well. You initially get a hint of sweet, followed by barbecue, followed by a kick of spice. They're delicious. The texture on these pork rinds are perfection. They've got a great, satisfying crunch. I've also been adding this to my kids' lunch, and I feel really good about sending this as a snack because they have 14 grams of protein, so I know it's really helping fill their tummies up while they're at school. These are definitely a healthier alternative to chips. They give you that crunch that you sometimes crave along with sweet and salty. Ooh, it's so good. So if you're looking for a guiltless snack, you should check these out. But that's just my point of view.